Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to create a smart rich filter in Jira to optimize your project management. Let's dive right in to streamline your workflow effectively. First, navigate to the Jira Apps section. Once there, click on Explore More Apps to find and add valuable extensions that enhance your Jira experience. Type Rich Filters into the search bar and install the app. This tool is essential for creating dynamic dashboards, allowing you to filter data intelligently. Once installation is complete, you'll find rich filters listed among your apps in the left panel of your Jira interface. Click on it to open the main interface for managing and creating your filters. The next step is to click on the Create Rich Filter button to set up your filter from scratch. Here, you'll need to provide a descriptive and relevant name for your rich filter that aligns with your project goals. After naming your filter, select an existing Jira filter to serve as the base for your rich filter. This ensures you're tracking the right information by anchoring your filter to established criteria. Once you've selected your base filter, click Create to bring your rich filter into existence. With your rich filter configured, navigate to the Smart Filters tab. This is where you can add additional layers of logic to refine data display and analysis. Look for the Create Smart Filter button. Give your filter a descriptive name and click Create. This name should reflect the specific data or insights you're aiming to extract. Next, click the Create Smart Clause button to add specific conditions to your filter. Assign each clause an identifiable name and input the JQL query for the clause. For example, use a query like priority in 1, 2, and status is open to focus on high-priority open tasks. You can also assign a color to each clause for easy visual distinction, making your data more intuitive at a glance. If needed, refine your filter further by adding multiple smart clauses to analyze your data in various insightful ways. And that's it. You successfully created a smart rich filter in Jira, complete with specialized clauses to cater to your project management needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.